Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be doing a comparison between two popular air fryers on the market. We'll be looking at the Ninja Max XL air fryer and the GoWISE USA digital air fryer. We'll be evaluating them based on their features, functionality, and ease of use. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. Let's get started. Both products claim to promote healthy eating with their ability to fry, bake, grill, and roast with little to no oil. However, the Ninja Max XL air fryer claims to have up to 75% less fat than traditional air frying methods, making it a healthier option. The GoWISE USA digital air fryer, on the other hand, has a wide temperature range from 180°F to 400°F and a timer for up to 30 minutes to ensure perfect cooking every time. If you have a big family or love to cook in bulk, the Ninja Max XL air fryer might be the better option for you, with a 5.5 quarts ceramic-coated non-stick basket and crisper plate that can fit up to 3 pounds of French fries or chicken wings. The GoWISE USA digital air fryer can only cook up to 2 meals at once with the basket divider accessory, but it has a modern touchscreen design with advanced touchscreen menu and start-stop button for easy cooking. Both products have versatile cooking programs, but the Ninja Max XL air fryer comes with 7 programs including Max Crisp, Air Fry, Air Roast, Air Broil, Bake, Reheat, and Dehydrate. The GoWISE USA digital air fryer has 8 pre-programmed cooking functions including fries, chips, pork, chicken, steak, shrimp, cake, fish, and pizza, with manual controls to customize to your needs. Cleaning is also an important factor to consider. The ceramic basket in the Ninja Max XL air fryer is both non-stick and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, while the GoWISE USA digital air fryer doesn't have a non-stick coating, making it difficult to clean sometimes. Both products differ significantly in their price. The Ninja Max XL air fryer has a price point of $149, while the GoWISE USA digital air fryer has a lower price of $73. If price is a concern for you, the GoWISE USA digital air fryer might be a better option. And that wraps up our comparison between the Ninja Max XL air fryer and the GoWISE USA digital air fryer. We hope this was helpful in your decision-making process. If you're interested in either of these products, we've included links in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews.